I don't believe it. Look, the sun has come out. Yes, it's still February, but with days like this, you know what that means. It's time for another pub stopover. Well, yes, we're on our travels again, and we thought it would be lovely to come and do a pub stopover because the sun is shining. And we think we found a really good one in Derbyshire. So we're heading over there now. We're going to have a meal and things. We might get a chance to have a bit of a dog walk beforehand. But tomorrow morning is when we're looking to try and do some of the local walks. And this place, the pub, is so good. It's got its own leaflet which describes the local walks. So we've been checking that out. We're going to tell you where it is and all of that kind of stuff. We'll put all the stuff in the comments and in the description below. So yeah, really excited about this one, and the food at the pub from the menu sounds fantastic as well. So yes, let's crack on with it. Well, here we are all pitched up. We are at the Okeover Arms in Mapleton. We've got the nutter out of the van. There she is. Sarah as well. Yeah, not Sarah. So yeah, time for a walk, I think. It's about 5 o'clock, so we should get about an hour's worth of daylight, which there's a 2-mile walk, I think, isn't there? Is that right?
I think so.
Yeah, about a 2-mile walk, so we can go and have a bit of a look at that. But yeah, look at this fantastic car park they've got here, and we're not alone either, look. So it's a popular one. A few different campers here this evening, including some nice tent boxes as well. So yeah, let's go and see what the local area's got to offer. Oh, it's a big hill, that one.
Small in Derbyshire standards.
This is meant to, on the map, it says this is an easy walk. Right, I think we found the exit of this field though, haven't we? Oh, she's having a good time. I don't know about you. She keeps seeing rabbits, that's the problem, isn't it? Isn't it? Yes. This is a great walk though. Very, very pretty. Oh, well, time has defeated us today, with the sun having just gone down from the horizon, I think. Sensible Sarah says, time to go home. Well, yeah, not home, back to the van.
We don't want to be those people calling out the rescue services when we've got ourselves lost on a Derbyshire hill in the pitch black.
It's dark, help. No, let's not do that. So yes, we thought it would be about an hour's walk. Clearly, when you're trying to find your way and everything else, definitely more than an hour. So maybe in the morning, we can give it another try. At least we know the first bit now. So we're just going to retrace the steps back to the pub. And yeah, time for a drink, I think. Cheers. What do you think then? Does it look good?
It does. I think the curries are probably all a bit too spicy for me, unfortunately.
Oh dear. But there's other normal things on the menu as well, isn't there?
Okay. I think I'll go for the safe steak.
The safe steak?
Safe. I'll have a steak.
Well, that was a lovely meal, wasn't it? That was really good. Only spoilt by the dog being a complete pain. I don't know what's wrong with her tonight. She's just got one of those moods. So if you hear her yapping in the background of this, I'm really sorry.
She's grumpy. The pub was very busy and quite noisy.
Yeah.
And she's very noise sensitive, so I think that was probably what it was. But
I think she's probably overtired, like a toddler as well. So yes, very, very good menu there. So if you think half Indian restaurant and kind of half normal pub food. That's probably a good description of the menu, isn't it? It's not inside, like it's kind of, they've segmented it into Indian restaurant and pub. It's all just a pub. Yeah, really nice menu. I had some chicken tikka, which was very, very nice.
Yeah, I had fish of the day. In the end, they'd run out of steak, unfortunately, by the time I came to order.
Yeah.
So I had it was a nice piece of salmon.
Yeah,
which was lovely.
So yeah, I really highly recommended. Really, really good food. Good selection of drinks and stuff in there as well. Nice beers on tap, and fingers crossed, a peaceful night ahead. So, well, depending on
apart from this,
how that goes.
I do feel a little bit for the couple of people who are next to us who are in tents on top of cars. It's probably about 7-8 degrees max.
Yeah, it's going to be a bit nippy in those.
Yeah.
Isn't it? I hope they got good sleeping bags. So hopefully a nice peaceful night, and hopefully the weather will be okay in the morning for us to go for a try and finish off that walk again.
Yeah.
Right. Time for bed, I think. Well, good morning. We had a fantastic night's sleep, super quiet. And this morning, woken up by the sound of the lambs in the field behind. This is a beautiful pub stopover, really, honestly. Right in the middle of the Derbyshire Dales. Fantastic. So up at the back of the pub here, nice little field area at the back with some picnic tables and stuff, which is really lovely if you're pitched up here overnight. Certainly in the summertime you'll be able to sit out on one of these benches right until the pub closes, having a pint in hand, right next to your van as well. And also lots of kiddies play area and everything here. This really is a fantastic pub stopover. Such great facilities and brilliant walks right on the doorstep as well. And then this here is the field with all the lambs in, waking us up this morning.
Right, round 2 for the walk. Slightly more appropriate footwear this time too. Come on.
Right, well, we're now further beyond where we got to yesterday, and we've read the instructions, which is a good thing. So what happened yesterday was the instructions that we were reading, we were actually further on than we thought we were. So who knows how that happened, but they all make sense now. We're seeing what we should see, so this should turn out to be a much more straightforward walk than yesterday. And we're not time pressured, of course, apart from the fact that it might rain. But, you know, that's England for you, isn't it?
Cross A style, then drop down to the left of the wooded grounds.
Oh, well, this is lovely. It takes you right next to Callow Hall, which looks very nice.
Cold.
Although it is a bit cold, yes.
So we're about halfway around this walk and we end up at the Mapleton Lane Tissington Trail car park. So you can see there you've got cycle hire, toilets, picnic facilities and bits and bobs. So if you can't manage more than about half an hour without a toilet, you're all good.
Well, there we go then. That is about the end of our lovely little walk. Now, considering they said it was easy, I don't know about you, didn't feel that easy to me.
I think you could say easy in terms of no rock scrambling or climbing of rock faces to be done or anything like that, but very, very steep hills.
I would say easy plus.
Yes.
Or moderate minus.
You're certainly not going to be doing it if you have any mobility challenges, put it like that.
That's very true. So just on this last little bit, you have to walk through the churchyard here, back down to the road, which runs through the village, and then just go left and left, and then you're straight back in the pub, because the pub is there. Well, back, and now guess what? It started raining. So that's a win.
Good timing, that one.
That's a good timing. So yeah, I think all in all, this is one of the much better pub stopovers, isn't it?
Yeah, I've enjoyed it.
Plenty to do, really good food, good atmosphere in there. And I tell you what, in summertime, wow, That is going to be amazing out the back there with all those benches and stuff, all those walks. Dare I say it, they should start charging for it. Honestly, so on that walk, we walked past a campsite. That campsite was huge, wasn't it? I mean, I saw a pitch number 150, and you can see why. The Tissington Trail, absolutely beautiful. There's so much to do around here.
Problem with that campsite though, right at the top of the hill, so on a windy day you are getting the full brunt of that, and the bonus of the pub right down at the bottom of the hill. Although to get to the Tissington Trail you have to climb up over that hill.
And I do think there's a pub right next to that campsite. We didn't see it because we just went straight through the campsite, but when we come back again in the future we'll have to do a little diversion.
Hunt it out.
Yeah, and we'll hunt it out and see what's going on there. So yeah, all in all, definitely worth checking this one out. Really like it. Thanks very much for watching. See you again soon for some more Campervan Time.